reverse method return the reverse iteration of a given sequence. So if you want to reverse a string, then reverse function is used. Sequence Python list reverse sequence Python. So here we pass Python, तो Python टाको सेठी रिवर्स कला. Then एठी हमें sequence range 5 to 9 पास कले. तो reverse 5 to 9. Reverse 5 to 9 माने इटा 5 रू 8 पर्यंत न देखिए उल्टा पर देखिए 8 7 6 5 एमती कर देखिए. तो हमें पास करे सीक्वेंसी पाइथन, तो हमें रिवर्स करे. Now check that Python is reverse. So here we pass the element as a one character basis. Python, again it is reverse. Then 5 to 9. The 5 to 9 it is showing you like 8 7 6 5. Then again it is reverse. एठी हमें गोटे लिस्ट पास कले 1 2 4 3 5 एटा भी रिवर्स हला. बुझे राइट है हर्षा प्रियदर्शनी.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, so you okay, now comes to the user defined function. The user defined function is used to divide the complex functionality of your program into a smaller part or modular part. A Python function is a group of related statements that perform a specific task. Function help the break our program into smaller and modular chunks. As our program grows larger and larger, function make it more organizable and manageable. So when you have a complex program, to break the complex program into a smaller part, we're using function. So for defining a function, we're using DEF keyword. DEF function name, then parameter. Okay, so DEF function name, then parameter, then your statement. Okay, so first you write second para and this syntax. These two things you have to write. What is function? Second para and this one. Over. This one. Arsa. Yeah, that's in Excel.
Yes, sir. Over.
So till that we are using the user defined function, predefined function. Now we start with the predefined function. Okay, just wait. That is the explanation of the function. The keyword def mark the start of a function header. So for defining a function, def keyword is used. Function name to uniquely identify it. Def then function name. Then if you want to take the input from user, then here we use the parameter. So parameter is used to take the input from user. And if you want to interact with the function, then parameter is used. Then colon option to end of a function header. Like in the previous, if you see that, here function name, then colon is used. Then optional doc string is used. So this is doc string. It is an optional statement. It is used to describe the purpose of defining the function. So why you are using a function? So for that purposes, we are using doc string. Then your statement. Okay, so now I show a program. So first you write this explanation, then I send the program. The keyword def, this statement, right? Def mark the start of the function. Then function name is used to uniquely identify a function. Next point, parameter. Parameter is used to pass the information to function and retrieve the information from the function. Parameter is used to pass the information to function and retrieve the information from the function. Docstring is used to give docstring is used to provide in which purpose the function is used. Then rule for defining function. See that যেতବେଳେ তুমি function define করিব function name then parameter ନଦେଲେ ବି ଚଳିବ କିନ୍ତୁ function ର ଯୋଉ statement ଟା ଲେଖା ହବ ସେ statement function ତଳେ ଚାରଟା parameter ଛାଡିକି ଲେଖା ହବ ଆଉ ଚାରଟା ଘର ଛାଡିକି ମାନେ ଚାରଟା space ଦେଇକି ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା. So now I show how to define a function. Def show colon print hello then it function टा में call करियो. After defining a function you have to call it then function name. For indentation बोलिता show function. Okay, it is a normal defining a function. Def function then function name. बुझेला केन डिफाइन होची आशा अमित सोमेश
हाँ सर सर शॉर्ट आईडी फंक्शन
शॉर्ट हला फंक्शन तब एटी फंक्शन टा एटी कॉल हला ए डिफाइन हला एटी कॉल हला
सर एस एच ओ डब्ल्यू शो
हां एनी नेम यू कैन
हाँ सर हाँ सर
any name you can define फंक्शन विथ आर्गुमेंट आम आर्गुमेंट देखि भी पास कर परियो सपोज बी डिस्प्ले फंक्शन तो हम पास कले सपोज नेम प्रिंट हेलो then जो name टा पास करिए then now I calling the function display Amit serial that's when you hello Amit okay so it is a function with parameter so I define a function name print hello then display parameter so it is a parameter that we are using then some function we have to use with return statement function when you are using a function it will return some value so that we are using what a return statement so by using of a return statement when you call the function it will return some value so that function with return statement is used to if you want to expect returning some value from function so how it is working let's say so first I define def then function name is suppose again show function I define some value like x then what it will return 5 into x the print function name suppose so I have to pass a value to print so value is 4 print so suppose 8 so it is multiply all the value so 5 into 2 is 10 5 into 4 is 20 5 into 8 is 40 the function with return statement then we are using the arbitrary argument. Arbitrary argument means, suppose when you define function with parameter, in this case, what we define? One parameter means only we have to pass one value. If you define the two parameter, then you can able to pass the two value. But where you don't know in advance how many parameter you have to pass the function at runtime. माने function को at runtime मु केतेटा value देबी जदि मते जଣା नहीं तो से जगह रे मु arbitrary argument use करिबी. Means at a time I have to pass more than one value. So that is called as the arbitrary argument. So where you don't know in advance how many value you have to pass to the function, at that timing we're using arbitrary argument. Okay, so sometimes we do not know in advance the number of argument that will pass to a function. The function allowed to handle this kind of situation through a function called with arbitrary number of argument. In the function definition, we use the asterisk before the parameter name to denote this kind of argument. So first you write this one, first para of arbitrary argument. Over arbitrary argument.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now ये देखो मैं एक फंक्शन डिफाइन कराला फंक्शन नेम ग्रीट नेम और नेम इन नेम माने at run time मैं फंक्शन टाको कॉल कले देखो गोटे वेरिएबल डिफाइन करा जायछि बट when I call the function I have given the multiple value Monica Dev Steve John so
सर पैरामीटर स्टार यूज करले सेटा कोन
गोटे स्टार माने आर्बिट्रेरी आर्गुमेंट जदि हमें मोर देन वन वैल्यू गोटे वेरिएबल रे स्टोर करबा तो सेति में हमें स्टार यूज करबा तो देखो आगु कोन होतले गोटे जदि नेम्स मु पास करतले that means I have to store give only one value but when I use the star name that at the runtime I have to pass more than one value बुझला तो मोनिका लिव्स की वे सब स्टोर हो गला जगह तापर नेम्स इन नेम तो जहां जहां वैल्यू नेम से अछि से आसे के नेम रे स्टोर होला तापर मते एटी शो करबा हेलो मोनिका हेलो लिव किंतु ई चारटा वैल्यू पास करियो कहिथिले मते चारटा पैरामीटर डिफाइन करियो ताकि मो चारटा पैरामीटर डिफाइन करी गोटे पैरामीटर डिफाइन करी ता भीतर सब वैल्यू को पास कर बुझला
हाँ सर
यस सर
then Python recursion function is a function which is execute in terms of itself माने फंक्शन टा निजे निजे कॉल हो रिकर्सिव the recursive is the process of defining something in terms of itself means automatically it is called by itself निजे निजे कॉल हो a physical word example would be placed to the two parallel mirror dita parallel mirror are create हो माने जे पर्यंत हमारा कंडीशन टा ट्रू अछि से पर्यंत हमारा recursive function टा हमर कॉल हो first of all the recursive function can be called the function is calling with itself so right what is recursive recursion is the process of defining something in terms of itself so here we have to find out the factorial of 4 so norm is equal to 4 मैं ଗୋଟେ 4 पास करी the factorial of 4 means it is a function type call होला calculate factorial parameter पास कराना 4 ए 4 टा कोडी जीवो x रे स्टोर हैला तापर कंडीशन चेक हबो 4 is equals to 1 no ताले का हबो ना 4 into calculate factorial x minus 1 so 4 into 4 minus 1 4 into 3 then again 3 टा कोडी गला ए जगह function टा इक्वल टू 3 इट कैसे 3 is equal to 1 no that is आसला 4 अछि 4 into 3 4 into 3 तापरे again multiply हबो के 2 3 minus 1 इगला 2 तो 2 एटी कैसेला 34 into 3 into 2 2 minus 1 1 30 x equal to 1 return 1 कला जेता return 1 करियो एटी हमरा ऑलरेडी मल्टीप्लाई हे दियो 4 into 3 into 2 तर हमर 4 फैक्टोरियल नंबर देला 24 बुझियला फंक्शन केमती कॉल होची
सर खाली फैक्टोरियल देले कोन से बुझी परियोन -1 x -1 फैक्टोरियल
के प्रिंट एंड फंक्शन नहीं खाली यूजर डिफाइन बुझियला
हाउ सर
The advantages and disadvantages of recursion. Advantages is what? A recursive function make the code look clean and elegant. It a complex task can be broken down into a simple subprogram, and in recursion sequence generation is much more easier. Disadvantages is what? Sometimes the logic behind recursive is hard to follow. So recursive calls are expensive and inefficient. Recursive functions are hard to debug. Okay, so logic behind recursion is very difficult. Then next function is called as the lambda function. The Python anonymous function is a function that is defined without a name. While in normal function are defined using a def keyword, in Python anonymous function are defined using lambda keyword. So lambda is a function which is called in terms of itself. The x colon x into 2, that is a lambda function we are using. X colon x into 2. Okay, and serial. When you are using lambda function, it is called by itself. It is not having any kind of structure, or it is not defined even if by using a def keyword. हम 5 पास करें तो 5 colon 5 into 2, तो 5 into 2 है ना, it is 10, तो ये होता है 10 रिटर्न, बुझिएगा?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is all about lambda. So tomorrow I will go for the Python default argument. Okay, and next of that function. अच्छा खाली feasible होगा बटा तेरे से ठीक है? अच्छा सुमेश तो वाले
हाँ सर
अच्छा possible होगा?
Yes, sir. Sir, time no should be lengthy.
12:30 खाली same time. होगा कि नॉले में छोटा नहीं होगा.
Yes, sir.
12:30 होगा तो possible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. 12:30.
sir